Replace the film in the resin tank. Prepare the tanks that need to be replaced. Prepare a box for storing screws, hex screwdriver, and FEP film or TSP film. Both types of film are acceptable. If replacing TSP film, be sure to follow the instructions. Note that this film has a front and a back. It has two sides. An FEP film has no front or back. This replacement will take an FEP film as an example. Demonstrates how to change the film. Prepare some lint-free cloths. A utility knife. After flipping the tank over, we removed all the screws on top. After removing the screws, we take out the metal frame that's pressing down below. If there is resin on it, we cleaned it. If not, then forget it. Put it aside for now. Then pick this up. Push it open. Remove the film. We don't need this film. Clean this inside. Open the FEP film. If we need to replace the TSP film, note that this film has a front and a back. Follow the instructions above. After opening, we simply place this film on top. Pay attention to the left and right sides. The space left on all four sides should be the same. After placing, press the metal frame on. Just press it down. After pressing it, we use this screwdriver. Just punch a hole in it. Make a hole here. Place the screw on top. When tightening the screws, don't lock it too tightly. Leave a little space. After these two screws are in place, next, tighten these two screws. Make a hole in it, here. Let's poke a hole in it here too. Place the screw on top. After these four screws are secured, let's tighten these two screws in the middle. In addition, these screws, don't lock it too tightly yet. Next, we tighten the remaining screws one by one for him. After all the screws are tightened, let's tighten all the screws again. After the entire screw was tightened, let's check again. Use neither too much nor too little force. Make sure each one feels the same pressure. Just tighten it. After all are locked, then we use a blade to cut away the surrounding area. We use this knife, cut off the excess parts around it. That completes the film replacement.